What is website? A website is a collection of web pages which are grouped together and usually connected that share a single domain name. Websites can be created and maintained by an individual, group, business or organization to serve a variety of purposes. 10 reasons why do we need a website. Number 1. A website makes you look professional. Number 2. Having a website will end up saving you time. Number 3. Clearly showcase your products and services. Number 4. Website can attract new customers through Google. Number 5. Display your best reviews and testimonials prominently on your website. Number 6. Add instant credibility to your business simply by having a website. Number 7. A website can encourage customers to contact you. Number 8. You can strategically target your customers through a website. Number 9. A website makes your brand more visible. Number 10. A website is an integral part of online marketing. How website works. The URL gets resolved. A request is sent to the server of the website. The response of the server is passed. The page is rendered and displayed. Now let us see what are the types of website. Business websites, blogs websites, e-commerce websites, portfolios websites, event websites, personal websites, membership websites, non-profit websites, informational websites, online forums websites. Thanks for watching the video. Like the video, share the video. For more videos, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.